Hello, students of class 4. Today I will read chapter 7 Ira becomes a flower gardener. Okay, I will divide the chapter into two parts and this is the video of the first part. Okay, so let's read the story. The meeting room was noisy. Several men had come from the city and were talking to the village headman of Sibiru. They wanted to invest their money in flowers marketable in Jakarta. There were farmers too from several villages who had to be given some guidance as they had no experience in growing flowers. So there was a meeting and several men from the city and many farmers from the several villages had come to attend the meeting. And they were talking to the village headman of Sibiru. They wanted to invest, to put their money into a business in flower marketable in Jakarta. Jakarta means place, okay? It is the capital of Indonesia. And the people needed some guidance as they had no experience in growing flowers, okay? This was the first meeting between the investors and the farmers. And the headman of Sibiru and the investors had spoken. Those who were interested in growing flowers were requested to hand in their names to Mrs. Shri. So at the end of the meeting, the interested people in growing flowers were requested to hand in their names to Mrs. Shri. Clear? The neighboring village of Chihejo, which had the most suitable soil and climate for a flower plantation, was represented by a cheerful girl of 14 called Ira. So Ira was a 14 years old girl of the village Chihejo and she sent as the representative of that village for the meeting. Ira was the eldest of her parents' 4 children and their only daughter, okay? She had always loved flowers and as the daughter of a farmer, she knew a lot about growing plants. So, Ira was fond of flowers and as she belonged to a farmer family, she knew she had a lot of knowledge about growing plants, okay? Mrs. Shri put Ira's name on the list and gave her a book with pictures of all kinds of attractive flowers. The next meeting would be held in 3 months. By then, Ira would have to study the book so that she would know the names of the flowers that were suitable for growing in Chihejo, how to plant them and what fertilizers to use. So, Ira's name was enlisted by Mrs. Shri and Mrs. Shri gave her a book full of pictures of all kinds of flowers, okay, that which were more suitable for growing in her village Chihejo, and the book would help her to know how to plant them and what fertilizers to use. Fertilizers, that means the things, other things to add it to the soil that help the plants grow well. Okay. Ira did not look cheerful on her way home. How could she understand what was written in the book if she didn't even know how to read it? So this was the reason Ira not looking cheerful on her way home, because she didn't even know how to read the book. Okay. Oh, how she regretted having thrown away her chance to study. Elementary education was compulsory in her village, but a few weeks after she started school, she got typhoid fever and had to stay at home for a month. When she returned to school, she was already far behind the other children. She grew lazy and used her illness as an excuse, making people believe that high fever had made her unable to learn. She spent most of the time drawing pictures and stopped attending school altogether. So, though the elementary education, basic or primary education was compulsory in her village, after starting off her school, she got typhoid fever. And after recovering, she used her illness as an excuse. She made the people believe that high fever or her illness made her unable to study at all. And that's why she stopped attending school altogether. And so that was the reason she was regretting, she was repenting on that day that she didn't even know how to read the book. Clear? That night, Ira could not sleep. Her thoughts were far away in a rose plantation. Okay, that's why the next morning she was tired and irritable. The whole family was worried. Was it because she had to go all by herself? Her father asked himself. But she knew that I had to attend an important meeting to discuss the annual kite competition. The Chihejo villagers had won several prizes in the past, and as before, they expected Ira to do the illustration. So, Ira had also another thing in her mind, that was the kite competition to be held in her village Chihejo. Okay, and as her village had won several prizes in the past, and as before, the people of the village expected Ira to do the same. Okay. We have to start discussing the design of our kite as soon as we can. Ira's father said we only have 3 months. And it also had only 3 months to be held. So her father said they had to start now discussing immediately. Okay. I also have 3 months to read the book, thought Ira. She sat for hours under a jamun tree. Okay, jambu tree, staring at the blue sky, looking at the blue sky. If she succeeded in this business, she would be able to see and smell roses every day. She smiled and then became sad again. Oh, how can I grow roses if I don't know how to take care of them? If only I could read that book, she sighed. So, this thought disturbed her a lot. She was worried, how can she read the book, or how can her dream to be successful. Okay, so I am concluding the video here. Okay, the rest of the story I will read another video in another video. Okay, bye.